EFG Sailing Arabia Tour has been, as usual, a fantastic adventure.
A great adventure.
We discovered a very nice country.
We discovered many nice venues here in Oman.
Fantastic, incredible racing.
Great sailing, good temperature.
Sailing Arabia Tour has been exciting and an incredible experience.
It has been 2 amazing weeks and we hope to come next year. We are very happy to complete this regatta and we are very happy to win it. Here it's Oman and it's amazing for us. We are very happy of that.